Wow. Good afternoon. It's a little after 3 o'clock. Wow, look at that drift right there. It's over 3 foot high. Oh, big old drifts all across the highway here now. I'm up on Highway 36 between Troy, Kansas and Hiwathee, Kansas on Highway 36 in extreme northeast Kansas. That's where I'm at, northwest of Kansas City, west of St. Joe. You can see where the blue dot is there, just near Hiwathee. And it's Highway 36, and it's total whiteout here. Winds gusting anywhere from 40 to 60 miles an hour. Snowing about 2 inches an hour right now. The heaviest band is just to my east now on the wraparound on the northwest side of the storm, the mega blizzard. And the back edge is approaching the west sides of Kansas City now, but this storm is very fierce, and temperature's down to like 25 now. Yeah, 25, and the snow is a lot up, but the ground surface winds have actually picked up. So everything's kind of flash froze. It's a solid sheet of ice, and the drifts are anywhere from 2 to 3 feet near the bridges and exit ramps. So in the sheltered areas, that's where you got to watch for really high drifts, and things like that have gotten stuck. Got stuck earlier, but almost got stuck again on a couple of the drifts near the bridges because they're pretty intense. We're going to make our way south here shortly before it gets dark here in a couple hours, and get out of the worst of the blizzard and try to make our way back down south of I-70. Try to get, like I said, try to get out of the worst of the blizzard. You can see it's just a total ground blizzard right now. Again, this is on Highway 36. Northwest of Kansas City, about roughly, let's call it 50 miles northwest of Kansas City and northeast Kansas. Still under a blizzard warning. You can see the just have really intense bands of snow and blowing snow across the area, and that's the area that continues this afternoon. So this has been a crazy storm. Blizzard warnings all the way up to Chicago now. So this is a large blizzard. It covers about 6 states this afternoon, Sunday afternoon into Monday morning. Going to disrupt travel over a huge area. So Monday travel, getting back home after the long weekend, is going to be treacherous for many people if they didn't leave early. It's going to be it's a big storm. It's going to affect a lot of travelers across a huge area of the Northeast and the Central and Ohio Valley as this storm pulls off to the east tonight and tomorrow. So anyway, it's kind of a real quick update from Northeast Kansas. You can see again, just like the times. Here's when it goes down to 0, you just basically have to stop, slow way down. And on the side of the road, that's gonna be very difficult to see, but on the side of the road, these ditches here, off these hills, the snow is probably 3 to 4 foot deep in the drifts here on the south side of these hills. And that's, I'm looking west, that's gonna be the south side. Right there is a 4 foot drift, right? Look at that, look at those drifts right there. Wow, look at that. And these drifts are really deep. Now, I'll get my snow suit on here in a minute, and we'll go check out and see how deep some of those are. I've got some measuring devices with me, and we'll park in a safe area, and then I'll go walk over there and we'll see how deep. I think them are probably over 4 foot deep. They're really deep. Some of these drifts along this highway here, very deep drifts now along the highway. Good news is these hills, most of the time, it's good 20, 40 yards away from the highway here. But times I've had snow as deep as 3 feet in the middle of the road. So I had thankfully there's been a couple of bulldozers, 18-wheelers and some plows that's plowed through this. But it's like right here, here's another bridge. Boom, here we go again. Wow, look at this. Look how deep the snow is. Look at this. You just hit like a 2 foot deal of snow. Look at these snow banks, 2 foot right there. Boom. You just hit the snow banks and you just plow through them. It's like hitting it's like snow skiing, but you're doing it with your car almost. But it's just, you just got to bust through them. It's dry, powdery snow out here out west, and it's and the crazy thing is the drifts are getting really large now because the wind's up, and it's very dry, powdery snow. Temperature's about 24 degrees, and I think the wind chill is probably about 20 below 0 if I haven't checked yet, but I would think the wind chill has got to be about 20 below 0 out here right now, with the temperature about 23 with north winds at 40 to gusting to 60. It's the wind, it's very, very cold outside, I can tell you that from being outside a couple times. But anyway, that's a real quick update right now. I will get back with you guys in a little bit and give you a little bit more information once things happen. Can't draw very fast. It's been anywhere from 15, 20 miles an hour, sometimes 30, sometimes 0. There's several times I've had to stop because of the ground blizzard. So it's not very much. Right now I'm moving at about 25 miles an hour. So not very fast. So that's just the way it is. So you just slow down, you know, with this kind of weather, you just have to take it slow and steady and you'll get there. And that's it. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll give you some more updates as things continue to change here. Thank you guys, thanks.